How to restore Instagram deleted photos. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right to navigate to your profile page. So say for example that we have deleted this photos right here. So let's go ahead and delete them. And after that, we wanted to restore them and recover them. How we can do that? The process is very easy and simple. From the profile page right here, click on the three lines at the top right, and then click on your activity. And here, go to the section that says removed and archived content. And from there, click on recently deleted. You will get to this page right here, where you will be able to find all of your deleted pictures, stories, reels, anything. So let's click on the pictures right here that we have deleted, and then click on the three dots at the top right. Then click on restore from these options. Once you do that, we will get this confirmation window right here that tells us what will happen. Click on restore to confirm. And as you can see, the pictures has been restored. So let's go ahead to our profile and let's refresh the page. As you can see, here are the picture restored again. Now keep in mind that the photos that you delete will only stay on Instagram for 30 days, and after 30 days they will be permanently deleted. So if you want to recover and restore them, do it before the 30 days has gone by. So that was it for this video. That's how you can recover deleted photos on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.